Imagine waking up, and your bank account has grown while you were sleeping. Sounds impossible? Not if you know how to turn a simple side hustle into passive income. In the next minute, I'll share the exact process that took me from active grind to automated income. Step 1. Not every side hustle can become passive. Choose something that can be automated. Digital products, affiliate marketing, or YouTube channels. These start as active work, but over time they keep earning with little maintenance. Step 2. Build systems, not just sales. Use email autoresponders, scheduling software, and AI to handle repetitive tasks. Replace yourself in the process. Step 3. Passive income builds slowly, then suddenly. Reinvest your early earnings into better tools and ads. This creates a snowball effect where growth feeds on itself. Step 4. Once your first stream is stable, diversify wisely. Spread your risk across multiple income sources, so if one slows down, others keep flowing. What side hustle would you love to turn passive? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial freedom guides. Share this with someone tired of trading hours for dollars. Thanks for watching.